Hello and welcome to the first video from Road Dog Crypto. My name is Lane and I'll be your road dog to help you navigate this crypto journey to financial freedom. Today we are looking at the Bitcoin chart. We are going to start with the monthly, work our way down to the weekly, to the daily, and then to the 4 hour so we can get a good grasp of what's going on. All right, now on the monthly, we can see down here with our MACD, we did get a bearish cross. Our RSI is coming in at 56. That's a good sign. It is above the 50. That means that we are in more of a bullish territory. The biggest thing that I want to point out on the monthly is that our Ichimoku indicator right here, the Ichimoku cloud, is showing some green. And what that green is telling us is that we're not going into a bear market yet. On the monthly, we have a low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, another higher low, and by all definitions, we are still in a bull market. So let's take a look at the weekly. Let me go to the full screen here, and we'll look at the price action. As we can see here, let me get my little drawing tool here. We have made a double bottom here, although it is not yet confirmed. Now it will be confirmed once it breaches. Let me drag this, put this right there. About 45.50. Once we break above that level, this double bottom will confirm, and then we can look for a retest. The smart traders will put their buys in there on a confirmed action upward, and we'll see where we go from there. All right. So that's what we're seeing on the weekly. We also have a green dot on the market cipher. That is a bullish sign. We have got our MACD curving up and looking like it's getting close to a cross. Have to keep our eye on that. Remember, the MACD is a lagging indicator, so it does run a little bit behind. Our RSI is coming in right now at 48.69. Anything above 50 we consider bullish. It did make a cross over a moving average there, so we're looking pretty positive as far as the week goes. Now we're going to move on to the daily, and the daily, you can see that we broke above this cloud. We are showing a little green right there. When you use the cloud, you got to look for that green just to kind of confirm that we are possibly into an uptrend. All right, now being on the daily, we can take a little closer look to try to hone in the resistance that we expect to see. Now I'm going to do this through a trend line. I draw my trend lines right there, and this will kind of outline our new pattern. The other trend line goes right here. If you want, we can do this from the bodies. It makes it a little bit more parallel there. And so now that we can see, grabbing our little price point here, this area, which is also one of the support and resistance lines, this kind of gives us confluence that we possibly might go up, find resistance, roll over and come back down. Now we are in a channel, and until that channel breaks, that's how we play it. We'll be looking here for any signs that there might be some downward direction, but actually what I'm looking for is a break up. And then we'll just have to see, we stay in this channel or break out. Breaking out, of course, would be very bullish, and you would expect a retest and something along those lines. As far as our indicators go for the daily, the MACD does have a bullish crossover. We have got some green going there. RSI is looking good at 60. The stochastics are getting a little high, and that would support our theory that we would be getting a rollover sometime soon. We have got the money flow starting to ease up. The VWAP is up. Things are looking good on the market cipher indicator there too. Now we got a nice clean chart. I'm going to do one quick thing here. I am going to draw a trend line from here to there, just checking for some confluence. We did break out of that, so I do look for us to come back to retest this support at 43.5 in that area before we do continue up to around the 47.432. And as I said, I do expect us to roll over and come back down to right around 38.6 in that area. So two areas that we are looking for will be somewhere in the 47.5-6 area. Possibly a short going on there, or sell, get some dry powder, and wait and buy back in at the 38.6. The one thing that I do see on the daily that is some concern to me would be from this area here coming down on that trend. Now, if I draw a vertical line to line that up, we'll see that we have a point here on the RSI, and that is trending up. Now, when RSI action goes up and the price action is coming down, that is hidden bearish divergence, and that tells us that we are going to continue in the same trend we are on, which is downward. In order to nullify that bearish divergence, price action has got to have enough strength to break out and go above that area. So that again is more confidence that I do expect a rollover down to the 38 levels. So overall, guys, we still got some strength going on in Bitcoin. We've still got a little more room to go up before we need to be concerned about the price falling. We are showing some nice support here on the $44,000 range. We just have to take it day by day, guys. If this video has been helpful to you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, we are a new channel, and our goal here is to teach technical analysis for free to everyone through the videos that we post and through the live streams that will be coming up. I invite you to join us on the live streams, and you can ask any questions about patterns, about indicators, about how to enter trades, things like that. We'll discuss that. There's no paywall. It's all free. And until next time, my name is Lane. I am your Crypto Road Dog on Road Dog Crypto.